Okay, if you want to upgrade your A-body GM 12 bolt from the 1310 U-joint to the 1350 U-joint, you're going to need a new yoke, a new seal, and a strap kit. I'm going to save you some time. There's the yoke part numbers, one with the shield, one without. I went without the shield. You could get either one, I suppose. The seal is for a four-wheel drive truck, Timken Seal 8622. Now, you need the seal. You need the seal because compared to the factory seal and the shielded yoke, it's much larger. Okay? So if you look at it, much larger yoke, much thicker yoke. And when it comes to the drive shaft, you're going to run into the similar problem or similar challenge. If you're to take and flip them over and look at the height, this yoke is taller than the original yoke. Okay, see the difference? Measure the difference. This is the difference you need to know when ordering your drive shaft. All right, just know that it's about ½ an inch difference in height between the two. So hopefully that saves you a little bit of time. 3-4-8681-1. No shield. The shield, I mean, on the back side of the yoke. No shield. It's just bare. Okay. Just add an X on the end for the shield. Timken Seal 8622. That'll get you sealed up. And then you're going to need the strap kit. I decided to go with the straps rather than the U-bolts. I like the straps better because it's much more difficult to over tighten them. It's very easy to over tighten a U-bolt. So hopefully this saves you some time upgrading your Chevelle, Monte Carlo, etc., etc. 12 bolt from a 1310 U-joint to a 1350 U-joint.